What you just watched is a showcase of a beautiful home in a sun-soaked suburban neighborhood. All it took was building an AI avatar of myself, pulling the listing from Zillow, and letting HeyGen do the rest. That's right. HeyGen is launching 3 amazing formats for real estate right on your home screen. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional real estate videos with your very own AI avatar that looks and sounds like you. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how to fine-tune your video to your liking in AI Studio, all within HeyGen, so you can create real estate content from anywhere at a fraction of the cost in less than half the time. Coming up. Every single format we're about to look at runs on one thing, your avatar, so it's worth getting this part right before anything else. HeyGen's AI avatar runs on the Avatar 5 engine, and it's built off a short-form version of yourself, as little as 15 seconds. It's not just cloning your face, it's learning how you move, how you gesture, the rhythm of how you actually talk, which means the footage matters more than the length does. Before we get into recording, here's something worth knowing about your dashboard. HeyGen's rolling out a new interface built specifically for real estate. If you're a new user, you'll see these formats automatically once you've selected real estate during onboarding. If you're already a HeyGen user, head to the Personalize option. Click through and select real estate from the list. Your dashboard refreshes right there, and you'll have access to the new formats we're about to walk through. Here's the good news. 15 seconds is genuinely enough. Hit the button here to start creating your AI avatar, and you can go straight in through your webcam. Be sure that you've connected the right camera input, and you can navigate to the microphone input and select a microphone of your choosing. HeyGen walks you through it and even puts a script on screen, so you're not scrambling for what to say. There's also the option to import footage directly. Here are a few ways to share content with HeyGen. You can upload straight from a social platform like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or bring it in from somewhere else like Google Drive or a direct video link. For the social platforms, you'll be asked to share a link, either to your profile, channel, or to the video link itself. Just make sure wherever you're pulling it from is set to public, so HeyGen can actually access it. And of course, you can always upload your files directly as well, picking the footage directly off of your computer or hard drive. Next is the option to record on your phone. Selecting this brings up a QR code for you to scan. Simply scan it with your phone camera app and follow the link. It'll walk you through everything. You'll also be presented with a script, so pick your language and start recording whenever you're ready. You can always re-record if you're not happy with it. And once you're done, HeyGen uploads straight to the platform for you. Before recording, you should also consider the orientation in which you film your footage. Portrait sets you up for vertical, short-form content. Think Instagram Reels or TikTok. Landscapes built for horizontal videos like for YouTube. Either one's a fine place to start, just pick based on where you're posting most. Either way, the best practices are the same, and more footage helps it learn your mannerisms even better. Again, 15 seconds is the minimum, but 2 minutes is the sweet spot if you've got it. One continuous take, no cuts. If you mess up, keep going or restart from scratch. Never stitch 2 clips together. Try to record somewhere quiet with soft, even lighting. Nothing harsh or shadowy, and keep the background simple and still behind you. One more thing worth saying out loud. Your avatar copies everything. A cough, a nervous laugh, a flat monotone delivery. However you show up on camera today is how you're going to show up on every listing video from here on out. So show up like it matters. So here are a few things we'd recommend. Look directly at the camera the entire time. Don't scan around the room even during pauses, and keep your hands inside the frame and below your chest. And make sure that while you're recording, you smile, react, and stay expressive during your pauses. That's literally how your avatar learns what to do when you're not talking. Skip that and your avatar just freezes. And here's why this matters more for real estate than almost any other industry. You're going to reuse the same avatar for months. Every market update, every listing, every quick client explainer runs through this one recording. Nail it once, and you've covered for as long as you're using the platform. For this walkthrough, I'm uploading my footage directly rather than recording fresh. Once that's in, you'll be prompted to create a few looks. We're going to skip that step for now and circle back to it later. Next, HeyGen offers to build your voice clone straight from the audio in that same video. So for now, we'll go ahead and create the clone this way. Then, we'll pick whichever generated option sounds closest to me.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview.
Great, now one thing to note. Down the line, wherever you actually go to create your videos with your avatar, you will be prompted to record a consent video. It's as simple as repeating what's on screen, reading the exact script that HeyGen puts in front of you. This isn't a formality, it's how the platform verifies the avatar is actually you. Read it clearly, and don't mumble through it. Don't try to fake it with a screen recording of the text. That's the single fastest way to get an avatar rejected. Then, all you need to do is submit it, give it a few seconds to process, and your avatar is ready to go. For your voice, we've already locked it in. HeyGen builds a voice clone straight from the audio in your avatar recording, so there's no separate recording needed right out of the gate. If you ever want to make adjustments down the line, you can always edit your voice from the main dashboard. The first option is by trying different voice engines. This is the fastest route in which you can toggle through a few variations until one sounds like you.
Okay, wait. This actually changed how I edit.
This actually changed how I edit every single. And then when you're satisfied, you can hit Save Changes. Or you can select the option to re-record your voice. This is the recommended option, which presents 3 options to do so: record audio, upload audio, and record on phone. You've got 3 ways in if you're starting fresh. Record audio walks you through it live. Pick your language and your mic, and HeyGen puts a script on screen, so you're not scrambling for words. 10 seconds is the minimum, but a full minute or 2 gives it more to work with. Or hit upload and bring your own files instead. We accept MP3, WAV, MP4, or WebM up to 2 GB. Now a pro tip straight from HeyGen. A voice memo recorded on your phone works great. Just hold it flat, about 6 inches from your mouth. The last option is record on phone, which allows you to use your phone's microphone to lock in your voice. The process is similar to creating your avatar with your phone. Once you're done, HeyGen actually checks your recording. If it came through too quiet or a little flat, it'll flag exactly that and let you record again to fix it, or generate the clone anyway. There's also a remove background noise toggle on by default. Leave that on unless you're recording in an actual studio. Save it and you're set. Now that you've got your voice dialed in, let's talk about looks. Because once your avatar exists, you're not stuck with one outfit or setting for life. A look is basically a new outfit, backdrop, or setting for your avatar without filming a single new frame. Click the button here on screen and a pop-up opens right on your homepage with 2 options: generate with AI or use a photo or video upload instead. For this walkthrough, we'll generate with AI. There's a text field right here where you can type in your prompt. Something like, put my avatar in a blue suit with a navy tie. Or skip the prompt and use a look pack instead, a curated set of pre-built looks so you don't have to describe anything yourself. Simply type in real estate into the search bar and our real estate look pack pops up. Hover over the pack you want and click through to view the looks inside. Choose portrait or landscape, and once you're happy with your pick, hit remix look. A few seconds later, you'll have a brand new look ready to go. Alright, this is the part agents are going to want to bookmark. There are 3 formats built specifically for real estate: market updates, hosted home tour, and listing spotlight. Let's go through all 3, identifying what each one is actually for, and I'll show you exactly how on real examples. First, market updates. This is your recurring content. New listing days on market, price movement in your farm neighborhoods, the stuff you're already tracking every week anyway. Click on the market update option on your homepage, and you've got 2 ways in. Paste your own script, or just type a zip code, city, or neighborhood and let HeyGen do the research for you. Again, if you already know what you want to say, just paste in your script, which gives you the most control over the talking points. Otherwise, let HeyGen handle the research for you, and in this case, we're going to try 90210 Beverly Hills. Next, you'll need to pick your avatar, choose your voice, and hit continue. That takes you into a quick 3-step flow before anything actually renders: script, delivery, and format. First up, script. HeyGen hands you a draft script based on everything you gave it. In this case, all things Beverly Hills and 90210. If you already pasted your own script, this is just a clean read-through instead. Review it, tweak anything that doesn't sound right, and if you want to swap the avatar or voice, you can still do that right here as well. Once you're happy with it, hit continue. Next is delivery, where you get a live read of exactly how your avatar is going to say it, word for word as it plays.
Beverly Hills home sellers are quietly taking their properties off the market.
HeyGen actually flags words it thinks might trip it up on its own. Here it caught Beverly Hills and the zip code 90210, and you can add a fix right from that flag. If the pacing's off, hit Make Improvements, speed it up or slow it down, or just describe what's wrong in the feedback box and let HeyGen sort it out. Once it sounds right, you can move on to the next step. The last step is format. Choose no edits if you want your avatar talking straight through, or full edits if you want cuts and extra footage woven in around your message. Pick your aspect ratio, portrait or landscape, and decide if you want captions on or off. And once everything's set, hit Create Video. And that's your cue to grab a cup of coffee while HeyGen cooks. A few minutes later, you've got a professional market recap for Beverly Hills, built entirely from a zip code, and your weekly content is done.
Beverly Hills home sellers are quietly taking their properties off the market, and it is completely changing how deals are getting done in the 90210. Over the last few months, high-end...
And it's not just recurring content. Putting one of these out regularly positions you as the authority for what's happening in the market. And if you're farming a specific region, this is exactly how you become the go-to name for it. Next, the hosted home tour. This is your full guided walkthrough. Your avatar takes buyers through the home for you, like an open house that never sleeps. This one needs an actual listing link. Paste in your Zillow, Redfin, or MLS link. There's also a box right here for anything else you want to add. Drop in a full script if you've got one, or just list out 2 or 3 things you want the video to hit, like a renovated kitchen or a specific school district. HeyGen builds around whatever you give it. Let's switch it up. This waterfront in Tampa, pool, custom waterfall pond view out back. Paste the link, call out the pool and the water view, and then pick your avatar and voice, and then be sure to hit continue. From here, it's the same 3-step flow as before. Approve the script, check the delivery.
If you are looking for a resort-style retreat in New Tampa,
then land on format. For this one, I'll go portrait and keep captions on. And that's the video version of your listing description, except now someone's actually narrating it for you. Let's take a look at the final result.
If you are looking for a resort-style retreat in New Tampa, wait till you see what is waiting in the backyard of this $899,000 home. Inside, you have over 4,200 square feet of living space.
And last, the listing spotlight. Here, there's no avatar, just photos turned into a polished 30-second video with the key details mentioned animated right on screen. Here we'll use the same Tampa listing, same link. No avatar needed this time, just the photos doing the talking. In this option, you'll simply be presented with the option to select your voice, and once again, you have the option to either add a script or highlight specific aspects of the home using the text box located right here. Neighborhood, bed, and bath count. The stuff buyers scan for first, animated straight onto your photos. Same easy listing link input as the others. You'll also go through the same 3-step flow here as well. Script, delivery, and format. This time, I'll keep captions on and show it in both portrait and landscape so you can see how it holds up either way. This is your fastest option, straight from photos to something you can drop into an MLS listing, an email blast, or a social post in minutes. Alright, let's take a look at these listing spotlights.
If you are looking for a resort-style backyard in New Tampa, you have to check this out. Listed at $899,000, this 5-bed, 4-bath home gives you over 4,200 square feet of living space on a quiet pond lot. If you are looking for a resort-style oasis in Tampa, wait until you see what is waiting in the backyard of this $899,000 New Tampa home.
That's 3 formats, 3 completely different jobs. And now you've seen all in action. Market recap, hosted walkthrough, or a fast photo spotlight. Pick whichever one matches what you're actually trying to say about the property. Now, let's say you preview your video and it's good, but not quite ready to post good. Maybe the pacing's a touch off, or one word keeps landing wrong. That's a job for AI Studio, and you've got a full suite of tools waiting for you right inside of it. To get there from the homepage, you can click on the video in the Recent Creations tab, or you can find the video within your Projects folder. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see the video's preview page, and under the Make Edits tab, click New Revision in AI Studio. It's the same steps no matter what format you used. Now, 3 things worth knowing once you're in there. 1 is pauses. Click into your script, hit the pause button under the script box, and that's a half-second beat added. You can stack a few for a longer gap, or you can drop in a silent scene between sections if you need a bigger breather. 2. Punctuation is pacing. Use it like you would in real speech. Hyphens split up syllables for clearer pronunciation. commas add a quick breath, and periods land with a natural downward inflection. 3. And this one's huge if you're in real estate. Pronunciation. Double-click any word and hit pronunciation, and spell it out exactly how it should sound. Street names, neighborhood names, whatever your avatar keeps butchering. Fix it once, and HeyGen saves it straight to your brand glossary, meaning every future video gets it right automatically without you touching it again. If you're recording listings in the same handful of neighborhoods over and over, that one setting alone saves you a lot of re-recording. And running down the side, you've got tabs for avatar, AI tools, media, elements, music, and captions. So whatever you're adjusting, the tool for it is one click away. And if you'd rather skip the manual route altogether, here's the shortcut. This video was actually built natively with Video Agent. So instead of clicking through AI Studio yourself, you can just hit Go to Agent Chat and tell it what you want changed in plain English. Swap a photo, tweak a scene, whatever it is, the agent handles it for you. And when it comes to support, we've got you covered. Real estate accounts get hands-on white glove support. An actual person helping you nail your first video, walking you through the process for optimum results and for a faster setup, so you don't have to figure it out solo. Our white glove support is currently available to Creator Plus plan users in the US and Canada, which means paid users will have access to white glove support in the US and Canada. To access it, look for the button in the top right corner of your homepage that says Get White Glove. Click it and a pop-up comes up where you can connect through text or WhatsApp. Just pick whichever works for you. From there, you've got 2 ways in. Scan the QR code for quick access, or text the code shown to the number listed. And it's not about getting your first video made. This is where they help you perfect your avatar and your video. In addition to our hands-on support, there's also Ask AI right in the top corner of your homepage. You can pull it up anytime and ask for help with a specific project, or any video that you've already generated. Let's face it, real estate runs on staying visible, and video listings get up to 4 times more inquiries than photo-only ones. The agent who keeps showing up with fresh video is the one who gets remembered when it's time to buy or sell. The problem's never been whether video works. It's finding the time and the budget to make enough of it. That's what this workflow solves. 1 avatar, 1 voice, and 3 formats that each earn their spot, from a quick market update to a hosted walkthrough. It's the same avatar engine, but different jobs every time. More content without more hours in your week, and without paying a videographer hundreds to thousands of dollars a listing to get it. That's the real unlock. There's more touch points with more leads for a fraction of what this used to cost. Try one of these formats this week and share with us in the comments. If this helped, subscribe. We've got a lot more of these videos coming. For now, I'll see you in the next one.